Start by importing Pandas. Let me add a few lines. I will try to read the separator.csv. So if I view this data frame, well, it doesn't look good. It looks like the separator is semicolon, but somehow Pandas is using a different separator. We can define the separator by using sep or delimiter keyword. Now it looks good. Let's try another one. Okay, so this one fails. It doesn't even want to read the CSV without any error. It looks like the C engine is not able to detect the delimiter used in the CSV file. Let's switch to Python engine, because Python engine is able to auto-detect the separator. By adding engine equal Python, the warning will go away, because it will use Python. No error showing up, but the CSV is messed up. With sep equal none, Pandas uses spaces as separators. If sep is not used, Pandas auto-detects the separator. You can't use more than a single char as a separator. If you use more than a character, it will be interpreted as regex separator. In this case, the separator is a tab. So if I switch back to comma separator, it will not use regex, only when we have more than a single character. If you inspect the CSV file, you can see that the separator is a space. Let's go to the next one. This is how the CSV looks like. What you don't see is that the first column is separated by tab and the second column is separated by space. And because of this, C is failing to read the CSV. So let's switch to Python engine because, as I said, Python is able to auto-detect the delimiter. Again, it fails. So let me set the separator as tab because the first column is separated by tab. It works, but only for the first column. So using /s plus will use as a separator any space. So this includes tab and space, no matter how many times it's showing up. Note that the regex delimiters are prone to ignoring quoted data. Else, if you use the correct delimiter, everything is good.